I know you better. Baby, I don't know better. Baby, I know you better. Baby, I know. Baby, I know you better.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Rhonda. There are 3 parts to this video. I just want to get right into it because it's already a little bit longer than I wanted it to be, and I just forgot that there's no intro for it, so here I am being your intro. First part of this is what a lot of people are probably here for, which is the installation of these DIY marble floors. I got them from Lowe's, specifically Lowe's. So the first part is me installing these floors. Very easy, very simple. I think I mentioned it later on in the video, but if you do this on carpet, instead of getting the rolls that you'll see me have, get the foam boards that you would find from Dollar Tree, the ones that are like for the science fair ones. Not necessarily the cardboard ones, but I would go with the foam ones. You'll be able to figure out, you'll see what I mean, you'll be able to feel the texture of it. So that's the first part. The second part is just vlog basics, which is just watching me get this room to where it is now. It's basically an update on what my room is looking like right now, and that's the way it's gonna stay until I come back from Cali. Last part of it is basically the room tour. So, you know, you'll see where you want to stick around. If you only want to, yeah, I can't speak. Those words do not belong to me. If you only want to stick around for just the beginning part, then just watch the beginning part. Let me know if you have any questions about it. Put it in the comment down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. Enjoy. Good morning, guys. It is Friday the 26th. I've been gone for quite some time, and today we're just gonna get into finish organizing this room. So I'm basically in a shoebox. Moved back in with my folks. We'll talk more about that another time, but this particular video is just gonna be on just my room transformation. It's not gonna be complete at all in this video. It's just gonna be basically what I'm up to. I finally got my bed in that I ordered from Amazon 2 days ago on a Wednesday. So it's the Zinus one. I got a twin size bed because, like I said, I'm in a shoebox. I have 3 jobs and I'm never home, so I really don't need anything extravagant, and I don't have Darby with me, so I'm not sharing a bed with anyone. So this is one of my corners. This is the box I literally just did last night. My closet, my mirror, my other 2 mirrors are back there. My little set here from the last room, but I painted it white. And then this is the bed right now. I finished that last night around 1 in the morning. It says that it's supposed to have like 3 days for it to fully, like, I guess, rise. But I passed out on it the moment I unrolled it. And it was like down here when I first opened it, and when I woke up this morning, this extra part grew out. So I think it's fine. This is a 12-inch bed frame, and no, yes, 10-inch. I don't know. It'll be somewhere. And then this is a 12-inch mattress. So good, fun stuff. So right now I'm trying to figure out how do I want this. The reason why I got, we're very close. The reason why I got this kind of bed frame is so I can have some storage underneath. So I have this like little shoe rolly box thing that used to have a lot of Darby's like winter, like whatever clothes in it. So now I'm reusing it. So I'm going to put it underneath the bed. I just need to figure out what's going on here. I want to move this. This is just water. Don't think I'm dirty. I want to move this to this side of the room, but I don't really want this on this side because if you guys remember my egg chair is going to be somewhere here, and I don't want too much stuff on this side. So I think I'm going to move it over to that side. Not a lot to work with, but we'll get there. Alrighty. So I'm back. I got a new SD card. Luckily enough, I have Walgreens right around the corner from my new place. Let me put this podcast on low. I'm listening to a Naruto podcast because that's who I am as a person. All right, so like I left off before, I'm just gonna clean up some things. This is like all my desk like stuff. I feel like I should also go to Target sometime this week to get more bins and baskets, because it turns out that I have a lot more space than I anticipated. Because the shoe rack thing, come here, come see with me. The shoe rack thing is here. So I still have a good like amount of stuff for that side. So I might just get another bin thing just to place on top of it and roll all my like sweater like stuff in there maybe, and then free up some room from the sweaters that I have in there. I don't know. Or I might, okay. I know what I'm going to do. Stop it. I already know. I'm going to get another rolly bin and put all of my like arts craft DIY kind of stuff in there. Get some like bin stuff to separate them from Dollar Tree, and then that way this fiasco will be swooshed down and underneath my bed, and I can roll it in and out whenever I want. And then some of this come with me, you must not understand. So I'll put you on top of some paint. This is like my seasonal thing, so like it has my mugs that I'm obsessed with. It's like my Christmas stuff. Giving this away to my goddaughter, I think. Or I might give it to my cousin. This belongs to my mom. This is for me to save lives. Please don't choke around me. I really feel like I should start up there and work my way to the mirror. I feel like whenever I start from this corner mirror, it works out better the way. It works better all the way through. So, looking like a chocolate drop, can't see me, and now you can. Okay, so I'm gonna do that, and then like, I don't know, I'll just figure out the rest, I guess. I'm gonna have to montage it, so enjoy the montage, I think. Wow. I had something I was gonna do tomorrow, which I will vlog, but I will not be adding to this vlog because this vlog is going to be a smidge lengthy. I'm trying to make sure it stays below 10 minutes. Can we do it? We don't know. You literally take forever. Is that everything? The mirror? So annoying.
Cashier number 3.
Ooh, look at her, and she is back. I don't know what time is it. No, I do. Let's see. It's 6:55 up, and I look very orange, including my top. Well, my dress. It's basically 7 o'clock, and Karina and I separated ways because I didn't want to eat out. I wanted to stay in and go to sleep. But I wanted to give you guys a quick little haul. So went to 3 different places. We went to Home Goods, Five Below, and Walmart. So got bed sheets because I don't have bed sheets yet. So we got this. I got these like rose gold woven baskets. They're gonna be for like, I don't know, like towels and like my blankets and stuff. So that's gonna go in my closet. Got a poof because I feel like I sit in front of that mirror over there a lot, and I feel like a poof will fit it better. I also got, don't mind the mess, but also I got another rollout like under the bed storage, so I can move over a lot of my DIY stuff within it, and then I can move all of these baskets here, and then finally put my egg chair in here. So enjoy this montage because that's what it's gonna be. Okay, bye. Cheap SD card, so I don't know if the if my camera caught everything. I just noticed it stopped recording and I have no space and I can't delete the other videos I have on it because I'm still editing with them. So if I didn't get to say everything I wanted to say, I just want to say thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, do whatever you need to do to stay in contact with me, okay? Feel free to watch any of my other videos, and thanks for watching. Bye.
Baby, I know you better.